What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Miss Spirit, and today we are giving my head a full-on lock restore. My hair is a little crunchy and dry right now. If we look at it, crunch, crunch. If you felt it right now, like, you know what I mean? My hair is in some desperate need of attention. It's been twisted, it's been traveling, it's been in the pool, it's been slicked back, it's done a lot of things. And so every month I like to wash my hair, but every 3 to 4 months I like to give it a lock detox. So today I'm going to be detoxing my locks. I'm going to be deep conditioning them for moisture, and then I'm going to be retwisting them into 2-strand twists, and I'm doing it all for you right here on YouTube. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, grab your friend with locks, and tell them what we're going to learn how to restore our entire head. And the cool thing about today is that I'm going to be reviewing some of the most popular products that I'm seeing on the internet today. Okay, first things first, the Loc Detox is coming from Native. Native, I've been seeing with these little bombs, and they have this blow up sink that I'm going to blow up and show you. So they basically say put a little hot water in this, drop it in there, boof, all the shit should be coming out of your head. So we're gonna see about that, Native. And then after that, I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair using Planted banana and aloe deep conditioner. So I'm gonna detox it, I'm gonna wash all that detox out of it, and then I'm gonna restore it with another black owned product, which is Planted with their banana and aloe deep conditioner. There we go, girls, toodaloo. And finally, I will be retwisting my hair and styling my hair using Lion Locs. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are too deep in the lock community, but if you're on Instagram, you will have seen at least 2 of these products floating all over the place, the Lion Locs and the Native Detox Balm. I've been seeing them for months. I finally pulled out the coins and purchased some of these products, so I'm excited to see what they do for my hair. Stay tuned and let's get ready to detox, cleanse, restore, and get rid of this crunch. So I had no idea that blowing up this thing would take so long. I definitely got a little frustrated, but I decided to keep going with the process, laying out my towel and filling it with water. Stop at the first ring. Trust me, I had a horrible accident, and you'll just see for yourself. So after putting the balm in, I lay down. It's always uncomfortable laying on the floor with your head in some type of sink, but what makes it really uncomfortable is when you overflow the water. Oh my freaking goodness. I literally had to get up, get a second towel, dry all the water off of my floor, and then lay down and try it all over again. By now, I am like so annoyed with the entire process, but I'm like, do it for your hair. Do it for YouTube. So I lay back down. I'm completely wet and making sure that I just kind of work and play with my locks while they are in the detox to make sure that I'm loosening up any extra residue or debris, because that's what you do when you're detoxing your hair. You get that stuff out of there. So important thing for me after detoxing my hair is making sure to rinse it all out again. I don't treat detoxes like shampoos. I think that they loosen the residue or any type of like debris that might be in your hair, but it's important to go ahead and shampoo it. So I'm using the Neutrogena anti-residue in combination with the Talia Waheed hydrating shampoo. This is my go-to combo every time I wash my hair, okay? I want something that is gonna continue to remove buildup, but also hydrate my hair at the same time. And I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair 2 washes with all of this. The first wash, I focus on the scalp, while the second wash, I focus on the locks. And I always do a double wash because this is a restore. That means I want the pool water out, the rainwater out, the traveling out, anybody's hot breath out. I want everything out of my hair. And did I mention that I sweat 5 times a week? So yeah, gotta get that out of there too. So after washing out my hair twice with the shampoo, it's time for me to put the conditioner in. I'm going to use the Planted, but I want you to remember that I only condition my hair 2 to 3 times a year. It's just that after traveling, swimming, twisting my hair, slicking my hair, styling my hair, traveling some more, swimming some more, I felt that I needed to restore the softness back, and that's what conditioner is good for. So I don't feel weird about using conditioner a couple times a year, even though I don't use it every time that I wash. After coating one side of my hair with the conditioner, I went ahead and put it into a bun and decided I was going to let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out. Hey y'all, so my hair is officially clean. It's been detoxed, it's been deep conditioned. It feels so soft and so lovely. I am now going to move into phase 2 of my spa day. I'm gonna chop that up and make it a new video. Maybe you'll only see when you see this, so I might chop it up. So for now I'll say, what's up y'all, I'm back. I love my hair. It feels so soft and juicy after the detox and the deep condition. It feels great after the detox and deep condition. I really wanted to deep condition my hair because I noticed that the ends of my locks are a lot like softer, frail, and thinner, and I'm not sure if that's because that's the colored part of my hair or if it's just aging and wear over time. But I figured that colored hair usually does really well with conditioner, so I went ahead and decided to condition my hair, and it is something that I like to do every 4 to 6 months just to give it an extra whoosh of moisture. Okay, so I opened up everything from Lion Locs, and I'm gonna start off with their advanced rose water treatment on my hair. Let's give it a little spray. Okay. Okay, what you saying, Nose? What you saying? So we gonna give him a 8 on the scent. It's gonna get an 8. It's alright, not too bad. Let's rub it into the hand. That's how I like to test out new products. Okay, it's thin, it's watery, that means it's lightweight, that means we like that. Let's see what else is going on. I do feel some of the oil and moisture in it. Not much stickiness. Okay, let's put it in. Let's see what's going on. Give it a boo. Let me give it a pre-touch. We know how it feels now. Okay. Okay, Lion Locs. Okay, this is a very lightweight rose water spray. It kind of reminds me of the smell of grease. And that ain't a good or a bad thing, baby. I don't know what kind of thing that is. It's just a thing. But I'm gonna treat it just like I would treat my own product, which means I'm going to spray it all through my roots. Get it all damp. Spray it down the stem of the locks. I was gonna say the shaft, but I'm like, shaft? Shaft sounds nasty. I don't want to say I have a bunch of lock shafts. I was gonna say I'm gonna spray it down the body of the locks, down the stem, down the crown. Ching! I just looked, I'm like, that looks like a photo op. Get the photo op, girl. That might be the thumbnail for the video. Okay, cool. Now, oh, I forgot I'm gonna do a retwist. Let me grab my clips. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of the Lion Locs oil onto my scalp. First, we're gonna give it a little drop test. Let's see what it's feeling like. Real like, a little softening. Okay, Lion Locs. Let me find out. I love me a lightweight oil. That's the only oil that I'm going to allow into the body of my hair. I only use thicker oils like castor oil on my edges. Let's was actually a lot more oil than I would usually use on a regular basis, but because I'm kind of doing a crown restore and wanting to really lock in and seal my hair and give it a really healthy, refreshing boost, I figured extra oil is only going to help. Smells good. Smells like lang lang, lang lang. You know what word that is. Smells a little bit like that. Feels great. And then I'm just going to use whatever is left over on my hands down to the tips of the locks, especially because I feel like they need a little strength. Give me a little oil at the bottom of the locks. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna try the Locking Moisturizer. Lightweight and healthy hair locking moisturizer. So I'm excited. I've been seeing this all over the Gram. Popular product. So I want to give it a try myself. So shout out to Lion Locs. Thank you for allowing me to try your product. And I'm gonna let the girls know how I do. I will be using my clips. I still am a clips type of person. I like what the clips do. I'm gonna do a couple locks up front here with you so you can just see how this product is. And then I'm gonna skirt off and do my hair. So this is the product. It looks really juicy and moisturizing, which I like. I don't know what kind of hold that speaks to it having, but I'm gonna find out. Okay, 'cause I do like a bit of a stronger hold on the front of my hair. Okay, yeah, well, now I'd like to do my hair how I usually do it, which is starting at the back. So that's what the heck I'm gonna do, and I'll check back in later. Okay, y'all, so I just twisted up my hair with the Lion Locs. I like the Retwist Moisturizer. It definitely does not have any like stickiness to it, so it's not gonna be a super great hold, but I do feel like my hair looks moisturized. As far as the spray, I had to go back and start spraying my hair, and I feel like I like this spray was a little bit dry for me. So I would give this spray probably about a 6.5 to a 7. So I don't know if it's gonna keep me super moist, keep my hair super moisturized for a long period of time. And then last but not least, the oil. I did comment that I like the oil, and I do need to rub a little bit of oil through some of my bare scalp now. I'll probably be able to do it better once I take these clips out. So I'm gonna let these clips sit and air dry. My hair is pretty good right now. Yeah, girl. The heck. So that's it. I've been making these YouTube videos all day, so yeah, it's a lack of energy, but I can push through and finish the job, finish up my hair, and show you the end. I can't believe that I don't say anything else after this, but the detox and restore came out really good. I love how my hair looks. It's flowing nicely, and I like the moisture offered by the Lion Locs products. So, bow! Full restore done. Thanks for watching.